Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROX. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis before, but it's been quite a while. However, after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. A lot of downwards momentum and just a lot of overall volume. So from a technical perspective, though, the chart is now, or I should say the price is now sitting at a very interesting area. And that area is right here at right around $9.75. Now, I get it. The price did technically close a little bit below there. But remember about supports and resistance levels. They're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So I would definitely consider this current price area right here around the range of this 975-ish mark, which last time the price was down here, some very interesting things happened and quite the nice movement happened. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because last time the price made a move upwards, that means that for sure the price is going to make another move upwards again. Like I said, would it be shocking? No, that wouldn't be shocking, but there is no such thing as a guarantee within the market. So as always, that is why risk management is very important. Now, in the event this momentum carries downwards, and this is the kind of the location on the chart it is the location that I find pretty interesting, is where that gap close location would be right down there around the $9 mark. At this point, especially with the amount of downwards momentum, I say that it would not be shocking to see the price stabilize and bounce, which is true, but it also, and what I think is more probable to happen is for the price to come down here and revisit the $9 mark, which to me it creates a very interesting scenario here. If $9 cannot quite hold up, then the next key level would be the bottom portion of that consolidation area down there around $8.50. And this is going all the way back here to, back at the early part of the year in January. So keep an eye on these levels right here. Those are definitely, I think, all in, play with the amount of downwards momentum. In the event there is some sort of turnaround and the price tries to work its way back upwards, from an overarching perspective right now, the key level is going to be that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-day simple moving average. But right now, breaking levels of resistance, and why I'm kind of just flying by this whole resistance side of things, not really a huge priority. Top priority right now is stabilizing out, and then, if the price can show that it stabilizes and then starts to bounce, at that point, you can turn your more attention to, breaking and doing battle with levels of resistance. But as of right now, the bulls first need to kind of just retake control of the chart, which after today, these are the next potential areas where that could potentially happen. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this one for sure on Friday. So we'll see how this plays out and closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.